Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to add an image to Google Sites without that annoying border. This is the full 2026 update, and yeah, it only takes a few simple tweaks. Let's go ahead and jump in. So first, open up the Google site you want to edit. If you're already logged in, you'll see your list of sites right away. Just click the one you want to work on. Next, head to the page where you want the border-free image. You can pick any section, header, body, footer, it all works the same. Now click the Insert tab on the right side and choose Images. You can upload something or pick from Drive. Either works. Just drop the image into the spot you want. Okay, here's the important part. When the image is selected, look for the image toolbar floating below it. There's a style option called Border. In newer Google Sites versions, it's usually a thin outline around the picture. Just switch that style to None. And if you don't see that border option, don't worry. Sometimes Google disables it depending on layout. In that case, switch your image to the original size or uncropped layout, and the border disappears automatically. You can also clean up the look by tweaking a few extra things, like removing drop shadows, changing corner style, or switching alignment. These don't affect borders, but they make your image look cleaner, more intentional. And once you're happy with everything, click Preview to double check that the border is gone. If it looks good, go ahead and hit Publish, and that's it. That's how you add an image without borders in Google Sites. Super simple. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe and come back for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.